Even under the best of circumstances, the coolant in the coolant mix will degrade over time and eventually require servicing. That's the service intervals that you see in the OEM maintenance schedule. Unfortunately, though, there are factors that come into play that could cause the coolant to degrade well before that scheduled maintenance interval arrives. Want to know how to tell if the coolant can still do its job? That's the topic for today's Mighty Minute. There's really only one way to know for sure, and that's to test the coolant for 3 key indicators. 1, dilution mix. Number 2, its pH balance. And number 3, the reserve alkalinity in the coolant, or RA. And it can all be done with a simple dip of a strip. A test strip, that is. Today, we're going to demonstrate using the cooling system test strip included in this Mighty Auto Parts Vital Fluids Analysis Test Kit. We'll start the test by removing the test strip from its sealed wrapper. If the wrapper has been opened, discard the strip and get a new one. Dip the strip into the coolant at the radiator if at all possible to avoid inaccuracies that may be caused by the addition of water and/or coolant to the recovery bottle. The Mighty Auto Parts test strip allows you to test all 3 key indicators at one time. The pad closest to the end of the strip is the dilution ratio. Ideally, it should fall between 40 and 60%. Too much coolant will interfere with the ability of the mixture to transfer heat, and too little will impact the freeze and boil points of the coolant. The next pad up is reserve alkalinity, or RA. This is a measure of the coolant's ability to neutralize acids formed by or entering in the cooling system. Look for an RA of 6.6 or more. If it's low, the coolant may still be serviceable depending on the current acidity level of the mix. The last pad is the pH measurement. pH is an indication of the health of the buffers included in the inhibitor package that are added by the coolant manufacturer. When these buffers become depleted, system and component corrosion will soon follow. Now, if the dilution ratio was the only issue that you found with the coolant, you can correct that by adding either distilled or deionized water or pure coolant as needed to restore that mixture ratio. If, however, the pH balance is out of spec, well, then you're going to have to perform a full coolant service in order to correct that condition. And last, if you have a situation like we do on this vehicle, where the pH is okay and the dilution ratio is okay, but the reserve alkalinity, the RA, is out of spec, check your customer's history and see if they're coming up on a scheduled maintenance. At the very least, advise them that the coolant is nearing the end of its useful service life and follow up on their next routine service interval. And if you found that the coolant has failed its test well before that scheduled maintenance interval, be sure that you identify the causes that led to its early demise and correct them before you perform that service. What are these factors? Hey, that's the topic for the next Mighty Minute. Thanks for watching.